This is part 2 on how to unblock our sacral chakra. In this particular tapping, we're going to be focusing on feeling our feelings and that it's safe to feel the whole range of emotions. There are so many aspects and layers when it comes to the sacral chakra, but I feel like this is something that we can focus on and work on today. So whenever you're ready, let's start with the side of the hand. My sacral chakra is blocked. I feel it because I'm struggling to feel pleasure and joy. I'm struggling to feel the depth of my emotions. Even though I feel this way, I completely love and accept myself. I feel guilty for feeling good. I feel guilty for feeling happiness and joy. Even though I feel this way, I'm still a good person. I accept this is how I feel. And I love myself anyway. Okay, now we're going to tap through the points. My sacral chakra is so blocked. I can't seem to tap into pleasure and joy. Nothing excites me. I feel like I'm numb. I can't find things that make me happy anymore. It seems like everything that used to make me happy and excited is now just annoying and bland. I can't connect with myself. I can't connect with others. I'm holding on to a lot of emotions in my sacral chakra. I'm not allowing it to flow freely. I feel all of these emotions stuck in my hips. It's safer to hold on to these emotions here. Because the truth is, I'm kind of afraid to feel the depth of my emotions. I don't want to feel uncomfortable emotions. What if it's too big for my body? What if I cannot handle my emotions? It's much safer to be disconnected from them. I would rather just be stuck and lonely than feel the depth of my emotions. Even though I feel disconnected from my emotions, I love and accept myself anyway. And I'm learning to feel my feelings without judgment. I know it's important to feel my emotions. So today I give myself permission to feel everything that I've been avoiding. Maybe I've been avoiding pleasure and joy because I feel like those emotions don't last for long. Maybe I've been avoiding sadness and resentment because I don't like to feel uncomfortable emotions. But today I'm choosing to be brave. It's safe to feel my feelings. It's safe to unblock my sacral chakra. I release any guilt or shame I'm holding on to. I release any guilt or shame around feeling pleasure and joy. I allow myself to enjoy life, to experience it fully. I allow myself to feel inspired and alive. I choose to connect with my sensuality and creativity. I embrace my emotions with compassion and kindness. I'm worthy of pleasure, joy, and happiness. I open myself up to receiving and giving pleasure in all areas of my life. All right, do that as many times as you want every single day if you want to. There's no such thing as too much tapping. Maybe there is. You could probably be a little bit tired. But I hope that helps. And let me know in the comments how you feel before and after doing the tapping. I love you, and I'll see you next time. Bye.